Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about Java output. In Java, when we want our program to show something on the screen, we use a special command called System.out.println. It's like a magic spell that makes our program talk to us. Imagine you have a friend named Java who loves to say things out loud. You can ask Java to say something for you by using the System.out.println command. Imagine I need, in this example and in this project, I need from Java to say hello my friends. I'll start with System.out.println, and here I'll include the message that I need to display on the screen. Hello my friends. Let's run this program by clicking on this green triangle near the main method, and in the console, the Run tab, we can see that hello my friends message is appearing here. Okay, so our program prints for us hello my friends message. So Java talked to us, displayed this message, hello my friends, using the command System.out.println.